Emily Ragozzino, and I am the creator of Emily's Rags. Welcome! I am a artist, I am a illustrator, I am a textile designer or surface designer, whatever you prefer calling me. I'm also a crafter and DIYer. I do a little bit of DIYing on this channel, but it's mainly reserved for doing unboxing videos of some of my products that I like to share with everybody, like my t-shirts and my dresses, or even like home decor stuff or fabrics. Anything that I basically make with the stores that I use on my website. And my website is emilysrags.com. Sometimes I like to do tours of my studio space just so you guys can sort of see some behind the scenes here and there. I'm just sort of showing some of the stuff that I do, like the textile designs that I make. Anyone who likes kind of fashion stuff and likes to be a little extra. Also, if you really like color, hopefully this channel is for you. I also have like a DIY channel that I'm starting. And hopefully you guys like that sort of channel too, because I love doing DIYs and I find that stuff really, really fun. So if I'm not doing something here, I'm probably doing something over there. I hope you like and subscribe, and I hope you also share it with everybody. Yeah, so that's my channel, and I hope you guys enjoy your stay. Please like and subscribe, and have an awesome day. Bye guys!